chocolate lollipops. For this, we need half cup chocolate, raisins, pistachio, almonds and ice cream sticks. Melt the chocolate. Now place the ice cream sticks on a butter paper. And pour a spoonful of melted chocolate on the tip of each ice cream stick. Now we will add our favorite nuts like chopped almonds, pistachio, and raisins. Then we will refrigerate these for at least half an hour. Remove it from the fridge and our chocolate lollipops are ready.
इससे और
Do
अच्छे से
share it
सब
with your
देखने के लिए
family and
चैनल को
friends.
सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक
Enjoy!
करें।